welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. We are in the park that is called Applewood Hills in Mississauga City. Right, so we hear the birds chirping. Oh, there is one. Oh.
You hear it.
Oh man, this is amazing, guys. And there is the sound of the bird, and he keeps coming back because he hears the sound of the bird, his own voice. So
you're not leaving.
I am shocked. I'm so shocked. Can you imagine? There he is again. He hears a sound of his own. It is coming from the phone.
Video him.
I did video him.
Yes.
He's not leaving. He thinks it's another bird. He hears his own distinct sounds. Can you imagine that? They hear their own distinct call, their own distinct sound. And so he doesn't leave, he tarries. This is truly amazing. He wants to come closer and closer to the sound. You should put the phone somewhere and let him try and what if he can hold on this flat surface. He knows where the sound is coming from. He's trying to identify the bird that he's chirping, but it's coming from the phone. It's truly a surprise. What a wonderful experiment. She's so beautiful. The bird is not leaving because the bird has identified another bird, but it's actually the phone. So Andel recorded the bird voice. Well, just take a video, the bird and its sound, and played it back. And now look at that. The bird is not going away because the bird can hear his voice but thinking it's another bird. He's hearing his own chirp. You heard that? That's from the phone. And there we have our bird trying to find the other bird that is chirping. Hearing is distinctive sound. We can hear other birds, but he's hearing his own kind. Nature is truly amazing. We can see the handiwork of God right here. There are numerous birds in this world, but each of them can hear their own distinctive kind. Yes, he's right here in the surrounding, not going far, because these birds, they travel. Can you see that? God is truly amazing. God is truly amazing. Wonderful. I've been wanting to see that. So this bird has except for both wings have orange and a little touch of a stripe of white.
You can get a nice view from the bridge, and this will all be behind you.
Ah, nice, thank you. This bird ain't going nowhere.
You have to find that bird just like you, Archie.
Yes! Wow! This bird is hearing his own chirp but thinking it's another bird. Therefore, the bird is trying to locate its own voice, thinking it's another bird. And he's going back, or she, going back and forth, back and forth. Guys, look at that. Tell me what you think about that. And if you can see, there is a nest all the way in this tree, and we are going to look at it. We have been hearing the bird chirping, chirping, chirping. Oh, beautiful. Let's leave him alone, or her alone, attending to her. You see that? Yes. Yes. And guys, this is like the mating season. All right. Yep, I tell you, nature. Yes, it can go like that. May I tell you? He's looking for a mate, but this little one right here already giving birth and probably attending to her little ones. Can you see? Yep. Almost there. Hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. take a picture or take a note out of the bird's book. That bird stick around trying to find the other bird with his own distinctive chirp. As humans, we are in relationships, whatever relationship, mother and daughter and wives. Let's stick around. Let's stick around. Mothers, fathers, stick around with your children. Sometimes it's challenging. Stick around. Watch them develop. Watch them grow into the man and woman that they're ordained to be. Stick around, okay? Sticking around. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. The breeze is good, right? The scenery. Oh, there goes our bird. Oh, and then I think he's following you. I'm sure of it. He knows that you have the next bird right there. Yep. So and you're colorful too, with stripes, yeah, with little patches here and there. Oh yes. The bird following my husband. You can imagine? They remember, I know. Alright, they remember. The bird knew that you have that song where you are. And so the bird is trailing you. People, it has been a wonderful experience walking through the park, looking at nature and reflecting on the lessons and the goodness of God. We saw the bird looking for the other bird that was chirping from Anders' phone, and he tarried so long because he could hear that distinctive chirp of his. So God has been amazing. It has truly been an amazing experience. Hope you enjoyed every moment of it. And went down, and I'm still at the top of the bridge, and he has put his phone on a stone and playing the bird that he had videoed earlier. So you can hear the bird that is flying around, can hear the chirping of the bird on the phone, and he is flying around just to get access, get closer, trying to pinpoint where is that other bird that is hearing.